Bitcoin is in an interesting place today. Yesterday, we got a massive crash, but we are trying to recover back above $110,000. We're not yet successful in that, but if whale money begins buying back into the market, we can be ready for a move back up and potentially a full recovery. But if whale money sells out of the market, we need to be ready for a further crash down to $107,250. Trades in favor is low, showing that downwards momentum has just about ran out, but I do think there is still some room to move down. This tops out at a 99% chance of a pump, so there is still some room for downwards momentum. It all depends on the whales and what they do next. This is the daily time frame. If we take a look at the weekly, things are looking similar. Price versus whale money flow is low. Trades in favor is low. Both are kind of leaning neutral, but we do have room for a move down still. How large that move down is remains to be seen. So on the daily, we need to be ready for those moves too. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned 310 wins and 0 losses in their membership trades. Yesterday's inner circle was fantastic. We had over 80 people, I think nearly 100 at one point. It was a great time, lots of great questions, lots of great coaching. Today for our members, we have a brand new future forecast out, and we're talking about one last push. Clear out distractions and get focused, because everything depends on the one chart we are giving you that is downloadable in today's future forecast episode. Do not miss out on this, and do not miss the next Inner Circle Live Zoom Hangout. Snag a membership for 25% off your first month at the links in the description down below. Today we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus whale money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Highly bullish signal from the trades in favor. Dropping into the long trade zone typically results in moves up in price. And that's because it signals that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. But at each of those points, what I want you to pay attention to is the fact that price versus whale money flow was also very low, much lower than it currently is right now. Currently, we sit at 43. Previously, the highest was 29, still below the 30 value that we typically want to look for before a reversal from the price versus whale money flow. Now, that's not to say that whale money can't reverse. It did right here. We got a drop and then sudden reversal and the price skyrocketed. Not to say we can't see moves up here, but whale money does still have room to move out of the market through this weekend. And if that happens, our traders need to be ready for a move down to $107,250. This would test the previous lower low formation. We've already got a lower high. Breaking below that really would send Bitcoin into a rough time, potentially a small bear market, taking the rest of the market with it. But we are not there yet. Anyone that took trades up here looking for a breakout, your risk management is playing out right now. Any of you that are waiting for a potential entry, you are still waiting for price versus whale money flow to be low. You see trades in favor is low, and you may have actually gotten an alert this morning for it. And the last signal we're looking for is a buy or strong buy alert. Let's make sure you have those set up. We're going to head to the alerts tab. You can see the watch for pump alert that lets us know we hit the long trade zone here, but we want to add some buy signals. Switch this to the TC top and bottom finder, set it as a buy once per bar close, and click create. Next alert, TC top and bottom finder again. This time it'll be a strong buy once per bar close, and click create. If a buy or strong buy alert posts on your trading device, you don't have to be watching your screens for this. If one of these alerts posts, it means a buy or strong buy signal has posted on your chart, and you may have just found an ideal candle entry before a move up. If you get these alerts and price versus whale money flow is low and trades in favor is low, this creates what's called the bullish trifecta, and this is going to be one of the most ideal entry signals you can possibly get. The last time this happened on the daily time frame with all three lining up, we got an 8.43% move up, and this is while we were still in a downtrend. If we can break it, that'll go even higher. Whatever happens, wherever we end up, regardless of the structure supports, We're just looking for that bullish trifecta to make our next potential entry. Now, for our exits, you're going to want to watch this future forecast episode. The exits are coming up soon, so any Bitcoin investments may be very short-term ones. If you want to see what we're doing in our portfolio, watch the future forecast episode, download the future forecast chart so you can be prepared for what happens next. If you don't have these indicators loaded up on your charts yet, members can get them for up to $550 off on top of money-making benefits like those future forecast videos and downloads, Inner Circle live Zoom meetings, trade setups, and more. What you want to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicator tab. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for, and you're immediately saving $150 off with this coupon code. Click Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.